Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI for subtitles in CapCut 2025. CapCut has made it super easy to generate subtitles automatically, so you don't have to type them out yourself. To get started, open CapCut on your phone or desktop and create a new project. Import the video that you want to edit. Once the video is loaded, tap on your clip in the timeline. Now, look for the option called Text at the bottom toolbar. Inside Text, select Auto Captions. This is CapCut's AI subtitle generator. Choose the language spoken in your video. Then hit Start. CapCut will automatically scan your audio and generate subtitles that match your video in just a few seconds. When the subtitles appear, you can edit them if needed. Just tap on any line to correct words, adjust timing, or add punctuation. CapCut also gives you options to style your subtitles. You can change the font, color, size, or even add animations and backgrounds to make your captions stand out. Once you're happy with the results, export your video as usual, and your subtitles will be included automatically. And that's it. That's how to use AI for subtitles in CapCut 2025 fast. It's accurate and super simple. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.